Film this. We're gonna change the bumper on the car. I guess I hit take a picture instead of record. Nonetheless, we're gonna swap bumper because I've got a better one. Still not perfect, but it's better. And also, if you wonder why I do so many time lapses, that's because I'll put the audio now.
Well, if you're ever wondering why I do so many time lapses, this is the audio from the Oclu. It's not very good. I wish I bought a GoPro, but that's $400 gone, and maybe that's it.
The Oclu is terrible at audio. I wish I'd have bought a GoPro, but that's $400 ago, and it is what it is.
One eternity later.
a lot better. I still got to get harnesses and fix the corner markers so they won't work, but they're in place. But yeah, I mean, the fit's better. No zip ties holding it, because this piece here was separated from the metal panel, and that was one of the reasons why the other bumper is just held on by zip ties. But it's like it's supposed to be. Now we have pretty much a complete back to factory-ish car. Now eventually I can get it wrapped and looking really nice, but it gets a lot better. And hopefully you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you in the next one. Probably going to do the center console in the next video, get that swapped in, but just got to wait till a good day. So see you on the next one.